Hi, si Allen De Leon to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a file from one Google account to the other and how to obtain ownership of that file. Let's get started. So here we are in my computer screen. Ang nakikita mo ngayon is one of my Google account na naka-open yung Google Drive. Well, actually, dalawang Google account to na naka-open yung Google Drive. Ito yung isa. This is one. Okay, makikita mo, white yung background and then yung account ko is my photo ko dito sa profile picture. Now, the other one is this. Yan. Naka-black, ano siya, dark mode. And then makikita mo dito na yung account profile or photo is letter A lang. Para ma-differentiate lang, may dark mode and then may white mode or morning mode, kung ano man tawag doon. Okay? Alright, so dito muna tayo. Yan. So, bakit naka-open itong dalawang Google Drives natin? Well, it's because ang gagawin natin is first, I'm gonna show you how to share a file from Google Drive, from one Google Drive to the other, and then how to transfer ownership. Again, importanteng ma-transfer yung ownership kasi pag yung original Google Drive owner, i-delete niya yung file na yon, lahat ng shineran niya na Google Drives, madedelete lahat yon. So, kung hindi ikaw yung owner ng one of the shared Google Drives na file na yon, then biglang magugulat ka na lang, mawawala yung file na yon dun sa Google Drive mo. So, you have to obtain ownership. You have to seek permission to the original owner na magkaroon ka ng sarili mong ownership sa file na yon. So, how do we do it? Sige, very easy lang itong tutorial na to. So, ganito lang. So, first, let's share a file. So, halimbawa, ito yung original owner. Ito. So, hanap tayo ng file. For example, ito na lang. Ito aking CV as a senior video editor. So, hanapin mo lang tong 3 dots na to. Yan. Taas natin ng konti. Hanapin mo lang tong 3 dots na to. And then, i-click mo. There you go. And then, click mo tong share. Ayan. Yan. And of course, ang gawin mo is, ilagay mo yung email address nung sharean mo ng file. For example, ito yung email address. There you go. Click mo yan. And then, make sure naka-editor siya kasi may pagpipilian yan. Viewer, commenter, editor. Editor na lang para mas okay. And then, send the file. Okay, so nasend na natin yung file. Actually, nandito na yan. Pag tinignan natin, dito sa kabila. Nandito na yan. Pag shared with me, nakita nyo, ito yung guys. Oh. Ito na yung aking CV as senior video editor. Nandito na sa kanya. And then, gawin natin, balik lang tayo. Balik lang ulit tayo dito. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is, for the second time, ito na yung how to transfer yung ownership nitong file na to. I-click mo ulit itong 3 dots na to. And then, click mo ulit yung share for the second time around. Yan. So, now, kung makikita mo, ito yung owner ng file. Tapos, ito yung tinransferan natin, yung siya yung editor. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon, dito sa drop-down menu to, i-click mo. Makikita mo ngayon yung transfer ownership. So, click natin yung transfer ownership, meaning to say, itong original Google Drive owner na to, ita-transfer na niya ang ownership nitong file na to dun kay coach.allendeleon@gmail.com. So, again, ano nangyari dito? Yan. Okay. So, click, again, ito ang owner. As you can see, ita-transfer natin dito ang ownership. Click natin, transfer ownership. Ayan. Send invitation. Ayan, send invitation. So, ngayon, nandun na yan. Ayan, invitation sent. So, pumunta tayo ngayon dun sa kabila. Okay, itong naka-dark mode. There. And then, pumunta tayo sa kanyang email address. Makikita nyo guys, ito yung shared, item shared with you. Ito yung kanina. Yung una natin ginawa. But now, may invitation to own yung CV. Okay? Yung Senior Video Editor version 2 na PDF file. So, click natin yan. Yan. Okay, wait mo lang. That's it. Pag in-accept natin to, then itong Google Drive na ito, siya na ang owner nitong file na to. So, i-accept natin. And accepted na yan. You have accepted ownership of this file. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Makikita nyo na wala na siya shared with me file. Then, napunta na siya rito sa My Drive. Ayun na siya. Kasi siya na yung owner. Pag i-click natin to, let's say gusto nating i-share. Share. Makikita nyo, ito na ang owner. At siya na ang editor. I mean, siya na, hindi na siya owner. Ito na ang owner. So, baliktad na. So guys, ganun lang kadali mag-share and obtain ownership of a particular file sa Google Drive. Now, if you'd like more video tutorials, may dalawang video tutorials ako nasa screen ngayon. Yep, i-click mo lang and I will see you there. This is Allen De Leon. See you on the next video tutorial.